Industries Corporation, known throughout the world as the industry leader in quality and innovation, introduces the Bishamon BX MobiLift series. Mobile lift tables with a manual foot pump for lifting. MobiLifts are rugged industrial lift tables with premium casters and an ergonomic push handle. They improve workplace ergonomics by allowing the operator to place the load at a convenient work height, eliminating bending and reducing stretching, while allowing loads to be located precisely where they are needed. Platform lifting is achieved by pumping a convenient ergonomically designed foot lever. Standard features include an ergonomic handle with a convenient lever-style lowering control that automatically stops the platform descent when released for added safety. High-quality polyurethane casters and wheels provide exceptional rollability. Recent caster upgrades resulted in a 50% improvement in rollability, making BXs the easiest mobile lift tables to transport in the industry. Foot-actuated caster brake for operator safety. Convenient maintenance scissor pin lock. All MobiLifts feature heavy-duty construction and a durable powder coat finish. They improve productivity in a wide variety of applications, including manufacturing, machine shops, nurseries, and libraries, just to name a few. BX models are available in capacities from 330 pounds up to 1,760 pounds in a variety of fixed platform sizes. BXs are also available in double scissor models for high-reach applications. MobiLifts are also available in full stainless steel models for washdown and clean room applications. Another series of MobiLifts are also available with DC-powered lifting and lowering operation.